青椒
5块，
莴苣
5块。
Wet market staff collected the vegetable prices early in the morning and typed the information into the system. The prices were then shown on the screen at the entrance.
I'll take a look at the prices first and go straight to the vendor that offers the lowest price. It saves me time.
Each vendor is equipped with the same type of cash register that shows the price of vegetables clearly. The market also accepts digital RMB.
With this system, it is impossible to charge random prices. An alarm would be triggered. If I wrote 5 yuan on the price tag but charged people 7, I will be reported by the system immediately.
The data also helps to better manage the market.
We can analyze how the business is performing. If there is a noticeable decrease in turnover, we'll need to study whether the prices are too high. The data allows us to better manage the prices and supplies.
As intelligent wet markets are running on a trial basis in the city from April to November, each district in Shanghai is expected to have at least one wet market that is equipped with the digital system. Zhang Hong, Shanghai Live.